Did you enjoy that? I just thought I'll start recording today with sounds of nature, callings from nature. You know, I know there's no visual perception here. It was all just audio. But I was just listening to the steady flow of the stream, the water stream. Nice, gentle flow. And some birds chirping away in the distance. And there was a pigeon as well that flew by for a second. And a lovely gentleman on his bike was speeding past through me. So that's what you heard. It's just lovely, isn't it? To just be one within nature. I just find nature to be my safe place, a place where I can go and just be. There's a certain calmness, a certain serenity, peacefulness, a bliss that just draws me in. And I've always been a fan of nature. You know, one thing to uplift my spirits, I can guarantee you 100% that one thing is just being out and about in nature. So yeah, that's why I'm committed to like my daily walks in nature. Hence the name of the channel, Ramblings in Nature. Just because I just spend so much time outside. But yeah. So I just wanted to bring you guys in with me as I explore, that's the word. As I explore nature. I often go early in the mornings, sometimes in the evenings, sometimes mornings and evenings, whenever really, depending on what I've got planned for the day, depending on work. But every single day, I make sure that I spend time in nature. Because I know how it makes me feel. Even if it's like 10 minutes a day, just embark in nature. You know, just any bird lovers out there, that was for you. I could do this all day. All day.